all confusions in regard to exclusion of 5 documents from NRC verification process laid to rest. Supreme Court validates 5 documents excluded by NRC authorities. The Supreme Court on Thursday gave a big yes to all the 5 documents sought to be dropped by the NRC authorities in Assam from a list of 15 documents that can be used to prove an individual's citizenship during the claims and objections process. A 2-judge Supreme Court bench comprising Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi and Justice Rohington Fali Nariman resumed hearing on whether the 5 documents should be made a part of the claims and objections in the NRC process, passed an order on Thursday validating the 5 documents earlier excluded by the NRC authorities in Assam.
Actually, the state coordinator and some of the people, they're trying to produce in the court that the 5 documents is being misused, and for regarding the 40,07,700 people left out, these 5 documents should be excluded from the 15 documents. But today court have accepted the 15 documents. Court have accepted the 15 documents. No doubt court have asked for an inquiry if any fault is done. But it is a good thing that court have given an order, and it is a justice for the 40 lakhs people, where in the 40,07,007 people there are lots of Indians, there are lots of indigenous people's names are there. So it's a justice for the people, Indian people in the 40 lakhs.
The 5 documents are the National Register of Citizens of 1951, names in electoral rolls up to March 24, 1971, Citizenship Certificate and Refugee Registration Certificate, certified copies of pre-1971 electoral rolls, and ration cards issued prior to March 24, 1971. This development comes in less than a week's time after the NRC State Coordinator Pratik Hajela briefed officials of the Assam and central government on the exclusion of 5 key documents in the claims and objections process of NRC. Hajela, in a report submitted to the Supreme Court, had reportedly also alleged that a pro-immigration lobby is trying its best to ensure that illegal immigrants get their names included in the NRC list. However, the bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi rejected the concerns of forgery which State Coordinator Pratik Hajela had raised in his report to the court. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has extended the deadline for filing claims and objections of people whose names were not included in the final draft National Register of Citizens to December 15, and also allowed claimants to rely on 5 additional documents besides the 10 permitted earlier, which were objected by the NRC coordinator, subject to rigorous verification. The deadline for filing claims and objections was to end on November 25th.
Today, Honorable Supreme Court has passed an order, and the order was passed by the Honorable Chief Justice of India. And in his order, he has allowed the 5 documents which were earlier in an earlier order which was refused, but now today he allowed the 5 documents to be submitted by the claimant, and we are very much happy, the people of Assam, for that order. We are psychologically, to some extent, we have suffered a lot, but now the matter is end, and we appreciate the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, and as well as I request the people of Assam to appreciate the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. And it will be a claims and objection. The date is extended up to 15th December 2018.
This latest Supreme Court order has come as a huge relief for many stakeholders, including Assam government, who had demanded inclusion of all 15 documents in their affidavits. With inputs from Dikshit Sharma in New Delhi and Zahir Akram in Guwahati, this is Amrita Kar for Northeast Live.